Would you be willing to show us your car
Oh, man.
and talk to us and tell us who you are?
Of course.
What's your name?
Andrew. I'm from San Bernardino.
What's your YouTube channel?
Ambidexstress. That's pretty much it.
It's gonna be right here. This is his Instagram right here. If you guys want to add him on Instagram, show us your car.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, this is pretty much it. I already, well, hold on. Let me see. Where do I even start? Basically, it's a 91 Honda CRX, the DX model, so there's no sunroof, and the SI badge is gone. And let me just go around the outside. So on the wheels, it's rotor slipstreams 15 by 6 or 7. I can't remember what I. And then the tires, these are the Toyo R888Rs. I got these in 205 15s. They fit really good. Like if you have a CRX and you're trying to get them, don't worry about clearance. You can turn just fine. Everything's gonna be good. That's pretty much it for the outside.
He's just being modest. Why don't you show us what's really under the hood?
A rat nest.
Shout out to G Vision.
Yeah, that's my boy.
Oh, you know him?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's cool.
He's cool, man.
Yeah, he's cool people.
Yeah, he's a real cool guy, man. Yeah, okay, so right here, this is B18C Type R 96 spec. And it's made it with the cable B16 transmission. That has battery acid because the previous battery I had exploded. So don't mind all that. It's all good.
Just for the people who say it's probably not really B18 GSR.
I've had a couple.
Let's see if I can get it in there. You can't really see it, but
It's all good, man. If they check
B18C HMO.
Yeah, it's legit. I wouldn't BS about Type R. Yeah, Type R head. I used to have the original valve cover on it, but the problem is I had to change it out because the original one, I don't know if Honda just designed it to where it would sit a little bit higher. It kept hitting against the webbings, even underneath, so I had to replace that. And other than that, yeah, it just got bolt-ons, just a couple things. The 1320 replica header, Toyota replica, and then the Skunk 2 cam gears, the Pro Series cam gears, I do believe. And then, so right here, on the manifold, the throttle body is a Blox B, and it's all ported and polished 68mm throttle body. And that's about it.
What kind of camshafts are you running?
These are the Skunk 2 Tuner 1 cams. They basically a Type R cam, in my opinion. That's just what I think. And that's about it as far as that goes. And then if you see underneath, there's Max Speed Racing Rods traction bar. Those are really cheap. I think they're like $90. This ain't a promotion for them, but yeah, these are really cheap if you guys are trying to get a traction bar for the CRX.
And he says they work really good. He said he had an innovative one, right? Did you see he had an innovative?
Yeah. I can't remember which one, but it was like the newest one they came out with, and it just wasn't sitting good for the control arms. They were just sitting too high, and I would always hear this clicking sound when I would drive, so I had to switch it up. And these ones, they work fine. I don't hear any noises.
Yeah, for $96.
Yeah, dude, I was surprised.
That's a steal.
I was like, there's no way that's true. And then when I clicked to confirm shipping, and that was pretty much it, free shipping. So you can't beat that, man.
I feel like I'm automotive and Natty right now. Shout out to Gus.
Yeah, he's cool, man. I watch him too. Let me put the steering wheel on so you guys can see the full effect real quick. Give me 1 second. The interior is a little bit messy right now, but basically it's just the Momo steering wheel, a K-Tune Circuit V3 short shifter with the spoon shift knob. Seats, I got a Sparco Torino seat. The passenger seat is basically just a stock seat with the seat cover on it. I will be replacing these 2 seats here really soon, so stay tuned for that if you guys do end up watching the channel. I kept all the interior inside, so I do still have the cargo in the back. The reason I kept the back piece is because I was undecisive.
God damn it, Luis.
Ready? Alright. So the reason I kept the back is because I was undecisive if I'm going to throw a roll cage in there or anything like that. But I am planning on pulling this out, unfortunately, and we are going to do a roll cage on the back. I'm not sure what color just yet. So all that's going to go, and then we might do harnesses for the seats as well. And that's pretty much it for the inside. It's nothing too crazy. I try to keep most of it original, or at least attempt to. It's hard to keep these cars original.
But it's beautiful. Try not to get your plate in there.
Oh, you're good, bro. Don't worry about it.
You sure?
Yeah, I got them on my videos.
It is beautiful. Look at how everything lines up. Schmexy. Let me yell at this guy real quick.
What up, Lazymangarage?
Why are you driving like an asshole?
Because I finally got plates.
Finally. Took you long enough. Are you guys gonna come over? Or I thought you were in a mandatory meet.
We are.
Yeah?
Yeah, I just forgot my bud skis at home skis.
Shout out to Wicked Syndicate and Grim Network.
Yeah. That CRX is flawed.
This shit's clean, right? Look at the way the door closes.
Go for it.
Like mint. Look at the gaps. Roy, bring your S13.
I'll see right now. You won't have to do a drive-by.
Yeah, I want you guys to all come over. So if you guys want to see more of the CRX doing things in Mexico, if you guys catch my drift, and other things, make sure to follow his channel. His link will be, his link will be down below in the channel and the description down below. Also subscribe to his channel and follow him on Instagram because he's a pretty fly guy and he has a nice beard. So you want to follow him.
Subscribe to you too, man. Lazymangarage.
Subscribe to me. Also turn on notifications for every time he uploads, so that way you guys are notified when you guys can see some pretty sick shit. He also has, he's trying to get a YouTuber out here who's pretty big right now to collab with him. I'm not going to say who it is. That's on his channel, so I'm not going to say who it is, but make sure you guys check him out.
And we're also going to be doing a turbo setup in the next couple weeks, so you're going to want to stay tuned for that as well, you guys. You might be happy, you might be disappointed, that's up to you. But anyway, stay tuned.
That's going to wrap it up for this video. If you guys like this video, please make sure to smack that like button. Please make sure you turn on all your notifications for when I upload. If you guys like his CRX and you want to see more, make sure you guys check it out. The link down below to his Instagram and to his YouTube channel. My name is Chris from Lazymangarage, and I'm lazy, so you don't have to be. Peace.